everyone is talking about artificial intelligence or AI, but what does it mean to Canada or to our Canadian identity?
What is Canadian? How do you define Canadian?
And how do we engage with the idea of Canadian? How do we really feel it?
We invite you to explore your Canadian feelings in our new Canadian Identity Simulator.
Simply configure your identity, choose how many Canadians you want to encounter, and step right into authentic dialogue.
Use WASD on your keyboard to move, and your mouse to look around. Oh, look, there's a Canadian. Press Tab to activate the text bar so you can converse.
Well, Marigold, for me, it's about opportunity and responsibility. My family came here because Canada offered a chance to build a better life through hard work. But that opportunity feels threatened when housing is unaffordable.
Perhaps you're wondering, how does it work? What does our back end look like?
We translated the dataset into a probabilistic character generation system. Each personality trait, belief, and concern is mathematically derived from authentic Canadian voices across all demographics. We also leverage the insights surfaced from our overall analysis, turning them into themes that the user can set before they enter the simulation.
Bonjour, Marigold. How are the flowers doing today? Say, I was just pondering this whole polarization everyone talks about. Seems like we all want Canada to thrive, but we disagree on the best way. What's your take?
Ah, good. Someone ready to grapple with the messy beauty of being Canadian. Understanding is a good start. But it's more than just acknowledging differences, isn't it? It's about valuing them, even when they challenge us.
Well, Mr. Santos, a strong Canada, to me, means one where folks look out for each other, no matter where they come from. It's about hard work and earning your keep.
Cloud, I appreciate that sentiment. But how do we ensure everyone truly has the same opportunity to earn their keep when systemic barriers exist? Isn't acknowledging and dismantling those barriers also part of looking out for each other and building a stronger, more inclusive Canada?
Thanks very much for watching. We'll see you in the simulator.